Okay, a little routine maintenance on the blackberries. They really look good. I'm impressed with how they survived the winter. Got a couple of weeds here I want to pull. We're going to put a little fertilizer out. Let me do a little training here. This is kind of hanging down. I'm going to send it back in this direction. That right there. We figured out the amount of fertilizer that we needed, and the recommendations are based on 100 foot of row, and we figure we have 11 feet. We're using triple 13. 6 ounces is all that we need to put out here, and I'm going to try to put half of it out on this side and half of it out on the other side. You don't have to get that close to the plant. The feeder roots are out here. I've got some dead branches here. I think I'll prune off. They're not really hurting anything, but we don't need them. I'm not going to get into the green tissue. It's the only pruning that I'm going to do here, and just kind of get out of the way, and let's see if we get a few blackberries this year.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.